Hello. If you have small children at home, this video is for you. I'll show you how to attach fabric patch without sewing, an easy and cheap way to fix child pants holes. To do this you need a smooth surface. Lay a towel on top of the surface. Put the pants you want to patch on the towel. As you can see, my son has spent a lot of time crawling. So there are a big hole here. To make it perfect, you need to take a small piece of baking paper, slightly bigger than the hole in your pants. Then put this piece of baking paper under the hole. This will help the patch not to stick to the inside of the trousers, thus sealing the whole beam. Then, using the right heat for the fabric, iron the area where the patch will be applied. You will also need to buy the correct size patches. Make sure they are self-adhesive, because we certainly don't want to complicate our lives by sewing them with a needle. Then you will need to heat up the area where you are going to put the patch with an iron. Heat the fabric thoroughly. This will give a better quality of sticking. Once the fabric is heated, place the patch on the fabric so that it covers the whole hole. Then heat it with light movements of the hot iron and press down firmly, so that the patch sticks properly. You can also run the hot edge of the iron over the patch to press it more firmly against the pants fabric. Heat and press the patch in this way for about 30s. Let the fabric cool for about 2 minutes, then check the quality of the work. It looks much better than I expected, even very good. Even the smallest edges stick. I have to give my son his pants back so he can get back on his knees and test the durability of the patch. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, if you want to meet some useful home do-it-yourself videos.